Hello everyone, welcome to new vlog, and this is day 9, and today again I'm starting with my day on my reading practice. So today I'm gonna read about his phone. So today I'm gonna read about some article on sports. So let's try it. Let me open this phone. Okay, so let's go to the screen now. All right. So uh, okay, so this article is uh, about cricket. Doesn't help when you Subman Gill spares no one after Gujarat title elimination from IPL 2025. So I think Gujarat title has lost the match. So let's read about it. The the mighty Mumbai Indians handled the nerves better on the big stage to outlast Gujarat Titan by 20 runs in a high-scoring IPL 2025 elimination despite a classy effort from Sai Sundaram, Sai Sundaran in uh, Malayan, क्या है ये? Mallanpur. Sai Sundaran in Mallanpur on Wednesday. Rohit Sharma 81 of 50 balls. Rose Hill luck to pay the fine knock after Johnny Basto 47 of 22 made an instant impact on the Mumbai Indians debut to push them imposing 280 228 5 in 20 overs. Titans, who were sloppy in the field with the bat, sloppy in the field with the ball, were able to take the game down the wire. Sustainable batting from Sudarshan, 80 of 29, 49 ball. So okay, so I can complete this after this recording. So guys, you can see I try to read, but I am struggling. I am stucking somewhere to read. So this is happening with me, and I'm also know like this is happening with you also, because when we do reading practice, so please, I would suggest you one thing. Please open your mouth properly. When we can say you have to read very loudly, not मन के अंदर. Okay, you have to be loud. Open your mouth muscles. That will help you, or that will help me also, to speak properly when we speak to someone. So it's a practice, it's a drill. So we have to do on a regular basis. सो आपकी चाय और आपका न्यूज़पेपर, आपका डिजिटल पेपर होना चाहिए आपके साथ में फॉर द प्रैक्टिस. एंड आई वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट वन थिंग. दिस सुदर्शन गाय, actually I saw that match, so that I am very impressed by that Sudarshan. I can imagine like he will play for India one day, and I feel, although like I somehow I very impressed by the left hand batsman, because like they are very graceful, when they hit. So I love to see that. Like I was a fan of Yuvraj Singh. Earlier I was a fan of अपने कैप्टन कौन थे, सौरभ गांगुली. सो या आई लव टू सी लेफ्ट हैंडेड बैट्समैन व्हेन वो छक्के वक्के मारते हैं. सो आई इम्प्रेस्ड बाय दैट. So you can see when I speak to about something, so I keep repeating the same thing again and again. So this is the problem we people have. So we have like repeat same thing again and again. So we have to overcome that problem also. Okay guys, so I think that's it for today. If I got a time, so I will record the video in the evening. If you like my videos and this channel, please do subscribe and like the channel. और आपको भी प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए। जर्नी, ये एक जर्नी है जो बहुत टाइम लेगी। सो मैंने स्टार्ट कर दी है, आप भी लोग कर सकते हैं। एंड या, बाय बाय फॉर नाउ, बाय बाय।